my name is Jacqueline. Welcome back to my channel. So, if I waited for the perfect circumstances to do this video would never get done. So here I am. My son's probably gonna pop in here. This is Isabelle. She's 3 months now. But I wanted to come on here and do a unboxing of my very first Grove collaborative order. So, truth be told, I didn't think that there was anything I needed from them because I'm a Norwex consultant, so I pretty much have gone green with all of my other stuff. I even have that little stand up there that has my Norwex cloths. So once you switch to Norwex, you generally don't buy a ton of cleaning supplies anymore. So there's this YouTuber though that I watch. Her name is At Home with Nikki, and so if you're into organizing, I definitely recommend her channel. I mean, she is what I aspire to be. I mean, her aesthetic, even her cleaning supplies match her underneath the sink organization, matches her towels. I mean, she could give Martha Stewart a run for her money. Absolutely. So I love her channel. But anyways, she's the one that recommended Grove Collaborative. So I signed up, with her referral link, and I don't know if you're familiar with Grove Collaborative, but basically everything on their site, from toilet paper to cleaning supplies, to detergents, anything like that is organic, non-GMO, natural, those kind of products. So ever since I've had my son, I've been getting to be even a crunchy mama, I guess you could say. So, I'm very aware of what we're using in our detergents and different things like that. Well, when I signed up using her link, so I think I'll put a referral code because you'll get the same gifts. But I got this little tin right here, this little cute cleaning caddy. And I saw this on her channel, At Home with Nikki, and she was raving about this to clean her glasses. So at first I just thought it was this super cute thing that, you wouldn't get any use out of. It would just look cute on your counter to do your dishes. But she said it's awesome for taking off lipstick and things like that. So I wear dark lipstick all the time. So I was thinking this would be really good. So this was one of the things that I ordered. I just started kind of opening the box, and then my sister was like, wait, do an unboxing. So here I am with my unboxing with my little chickadee here. So this I got for free, this cute little cleaning caddy, so I will definitely use that underneath my sink. And then I opened the box here. I started to open it, but I haven't looked inside it yet. So I'm super excited. This box just kind of made me think of all the things that I have because other YouTubers told me it was good. I'm doing HelloFresh right now. I'm on Audible. The only thing that I don't have, I feel is that FabFitFun box, but that I'm kind of doing I refuse to do it because so many people say to do it. Okay, so what did I order? Oh, I ordered paper towels. Oh, so another thing about Grove Collaborative is their prices are all below retail. So I found myself rebuying the Mrs.Meyers spray all the time. I love 7th generation products. I use their dishwasher tabs. I use their disinfectant spray because it's all natural, different things like that. I pretty much don't have any Lysol products in the house anymore. So I got our paper towels. This is more so just because we needed paper towels. I normally buy the Viva brand, but these were cheaper and we needed them, and it was just easier for me to get it online than to go to the store with all my munchkins. So I got 7th generation paper towels, so it's 100% recycled, and they were a good price. So I got that through them. So that's your paper towels, and the way it works is a monthly kind of subscription, but you can customize it however you need to, because that was the other reason I didn't sign up, because I was I don't go through cleaning stuff all that often. I don't need to be, getting a multi-purpose spray every month. I'll have a ton of it. But no, it's super customizable how you can do it. So this video is not sponsored, by the way. They have no idea who I am. I just happened to, like I said, sign up because At Home with Nikki said it was a good idea. This I was super excited about. So I do use toothbrushes around the house, around my stove, on the light switches, different things like that. So this is a 2-in-1 detail brush, and it had a little scraper on the back and a little scraper on the front. So I thought this would be really good because I'm constantly going through little toothbrushes. So this is pretty heavy duty. So I thought this would be my one designated cleaning brush. So I am that like OCD person that cleans her light switches with a toothbrush, so I thought that would be really good. Another thing, this vinegar spray, so I like that they have this so that nothing spills, because I have had products arrive like completely spilled. Not from them, just in general. So this is the Mrs. Meyers Vinegar Gel. So everybody said that this was really good in the reviews for stoves. So I have a stove with a lot of metal grates on it, so it's such a pain to clean. So I was hoping between these two that this would kind of make it a little bit easier for me. So I'm really excited to use this. And hopefully this lemon verbena will cover up the smell of vinegar, because I hate the smell of vinegar. I use it as fabric softener, and I just hate that smell. So let me see. Oh yeah, you know, it does have a slight vinegar scent, but it's not overwhelming like when you do open a bottle of vinegar. So this lemon verbena vinegar gel, so we'll see how that goes. I'm excited to have that. Oh, I did pay for that. This is one of the ones I got for free. So I got the lemon verbena hand lotion. So I got the hand lotion for free. I got the dish soap, which is, this is the actual size products, like if you were to go to Target and pick one up. So that was really nice that the free gift set that they give you is the actual size and not like a little trial size. I thought that was really generous. Oh, they gave me these sponges for free. So walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. So you can always use a scrub around the house. I'm excited to see how these hold up. Like I said, I'm a Norwex consultant, so I don't generally use sponges. I have different things that I use in place of that for dishes, because I hate the way smelly sponges smell. But I'm curious to see how these would hold up. Oh, there's Jacob. Hi, little man.
Hi.
Yeah. So I'm curious to see how these sponges hold up. Okay, and then we have the Mrs. Meyers soap refill. So normally I just get like the $2 soft soap or whatever. That's one of the few things that like I haven't switched over to like all natural, I'll say. But since it was cheaper getting it through here, and it was a nice size refill, and I love their lavender scent, I thought I would try them out, because we go through a lot of soap here, especially with this one.
With me?
Yeah, with you.
Mommy, where's that?
And then that's the scrubber sponge for the dishes. And then these are the multi-purpose wipes. So super excited about these. I was buying the whatever brand ones, because they're all natural and they, you know, disinfect like raw chicken and different things like that. But they weren't as saturated as I wanted them to be. So I'm hoping these are a lot more saturated. So 7th generation, I've been super happy with their baby line products. That's all I use for hers. Their coconut things, you know, their coconut oil, like body wash and things like that. So I'm super excited to try these. Because sometimes, like I said, I use my Norwex cloths for everything. But sometimes like cleaning your trash can and things like that, you just want something that you can just kind of throw away after. So that's that. Oh, this is this pretty stoneware tray. Okay, so I got this for free also for signing up. So like I said, I'll look for that referral link, you know, that you get like when you tell your friends about it or something. That way, if you guys want to try it, you can have a link where you can get all this free stuff. So, or if you're already a part of it, let me know what you like about it or what products are really good.
Yeah.
This is really pretty. So this is like a nice, oh, thank you. 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'll get that in a second. So this is a really nice stoneware tray, and that's kind of to display your little, you know, your hand soap or different things like that. So I have a white and like gray aesthetic going, so that'll probably look really good next to my dishes. So we'll see that. So I got that one for free. Thank you so much. Oh, this was just a little like sample method laundry detergent. So I believe this one was free also. So I will definitely try that. This is their free and clear. So of course I go all free and clear. Oh, this little girl, do not eat this.
Why's she trying to eat it?
Because she's crazy. She don't know. Hand soap. So I got this one for free.
That way we can wash our hands.
Yes, sir. That way you can wash our hands. Yeah, rub-a-dub-dub. So that one. I already used the 7th generation dishwasher tabs. Oh, she's getting antsy. She's getting antsy. I already used the 7th generation dishwasher tab, so I was almost out, so I got it through them. Like I said, so they're cheaper than retail, and it comes to your house, so you don't have to like shop for it. It's a good idea.
Your phone got
a Method Sea Minerals hand wash. So this is another one that I got for free. No, I do like this Method hand soap. When I worked for an orthodontic office and a dental office, this is what we always had in there. So that's that.
Yeah.
This is their kitchen towel set that they sent me also, which is also free. I feel like everything that I've pulled out before pulled out so far that I got for free. So I'm curious to see how these will hold up. Thank you. Oh, and I got their dish gloves. I ordered these, so I'm super excited about these. I am super particular about dish gloves. I refuse to wash dishes if my gloves have a hole in them. I cannot touch dirty, wet, soggy food. I refuse. So I always try to have a nice set of dish gloves. So I want to try theirs out. They were a little pricey. They were like $6, but if they work really well and if they hold up, it'll be worth it. I already showed these. Sounds good. Was that everything in the box? Okay, so that was everything in the box. So you guys can see. Sorry, I can't show everything in the frame, but for all of these products that I got and the free gifts, it was free shipping, and my total was like $45. So you can see I got a ton of stuff for $45. So I encourage you to try it. I've already tried a bunch of these things. I know that I like them. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up for Isabelli. And subscribe. I'd love to have you. I believe my next few videos are going to be on organization. That's just something I really, really enjoy doing. So if you've seen my channel or been with me for a little bit, I've done tech videos and organization videos and cooking videos. But I think my favorites to film are probably the organization and the tech and, of course, the mommy. So if you like those kind of videos, definitely consider subscribing. I'd love to have you. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.